I saw Solim Hall, I know him, and I saw him with a cap of ZCC. He was wearing a cap of ZCC and he is crying. Hey, he is crying. People, I am warning you. I told you last time, phumani kuleli bandla. Nisindiswe, akunamuntu ozongena ezulwini angasindiswanga. Phumani kule bandla.
Hello you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. So it looks like Brother Enigma is back once again with Chris Network here on YouTube, you guys, and this time he is back with yet another revelation, you guys. And after the whole Pastor Mkuba debacle and saga scandal, whatever you'd think, that Brother Chris would stay the hell away from Brother Enigma, but it seems like he is definitely unfazed. You guys, you'd think Chris would stay the hell away from Brother Enigma if he doesn't want any more lawsuits. Brother Enigma had gone AWOL after Pastor Mukuba slapped Brother Chris with a lawsuit, and this time he's back again. This time he is doing something. The late Solim Holo, who was a legendary gospel artist who unfortunately passed away, I think it was at the beginning of this year, or last year rather, at the end of last year, Solim Holo passed away after a long battle with, cancer. So Brother Enigma claims, and rather not claim, not say claim, but he says that he got a revelation from God that Solim Holo is currently in hell, you guys, and he says that he sees Solim Holo in hell and he is there, of course, burning and wearing his ZCC head, you guys. But Solim Holo says Hogweni. You guys, and people were quick to come into the comment section to remind him that, you know what, Brother Enigma, you could be lying, because Solim Holo had long left the church. It was years he was cancelled out of the church, and that herd that you're talking about, it is not a ZCC church, you guys, and because that whole uniform that he was wearing, it was a uniform that he created himself. It is not anyway associated with the church of ZCC, as it was public knowledge and common knowledge. Even Solim Holo said that he left the church years ago, and today Brother Enigma makes this shocking revelations. And you know what, people are saying, Ukamba Amanga, you are lying. That is not, it proves that your revelation is fake, as Solim Holo was no longer as a CC church member, while other people, you guys, were saying, you know what, the ZCC church should slap you with a lawsuit for defaming their names, as he not only said that about Solim Holo, but he said that everyone was an Angrega ZCC should leave that church because it is not a godly church, you guys, which is what Brother Enigma said. Well, there you have it. What are your thoughts? Please do, of course, engage them with me in the comment section, and of course do make sure that you subscribe if you haven't yet done so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one, and may the God Lord just continue blessing you all. Bye.